This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have a Frigidaire oven that is not igniting, so we call for heat, 350 degrees, and we get it started. We can hear the relay click at the top, so it should be sending power down to the igniter. But after waiting for a while, we noticed that there's no heat. So I pulled out the broiler pan, and underneath I noticed there was some pretty yucky stuff, also a bad smell. This indicates that there was a rat or mouse that got in there, and for some reason they like to chew through the insulation on the wires. I did find that one of the wires that's part of the igniter assembly had been chewed through. So pretty easy to fix. Got to make sure you got the power turned off. And I'm just taking this wire that had broken off. I'm going to kind of work it out away from where it's tied in so I have a little more room to work. And I'm going to cut off about an inch of it. That's the affected part where the rat or mouse had chewed away the insulation. And I'm going to just make a nice clean break, and then I'm going to strip away about a quarter of that wire. And then this was connected to kind of a wire bridge that went between the safety valve, and I'm going to pull that out with some needle nose pliers, this little wire bridge where it was connected originally, and I'm going to cut the wire bridge in half and splice through, and then pull back those wires by about a quarter inch. And then using a wire nut, I've connected the three so that now it's connected kind of like how it was originally, and now I'm just putting those spade connectors back in where they were. So this is bringing power now to that bridge, and this will bring power to the igniter. And then I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to set it to bake and see if we get a glow from the igniter and a flame. It's pretty common that a rat or a mouse will go in there and just chew through that insulation, and all of a sudden you won't have a function of your appliance. In this case, no electricity was going to the igniter. So I'm going to put the broiler pan back in, and then it takes probably about 30 seconds to a minute, and you should get a glowing from the igniter and a flame. You can tell by opening the door, you'll see kind of an orangey appearance. We can see that in this little port here, so that looks good. That did the trick. So I hope that helps you if you have a rat or mouse infestation and that they've eaten through your wires. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you can so we can send you more videos. Thanks again.